Here's a tutorial on how to make the Gret figure. This figure. Unfortunately, you had to add more joints for the arms. At least 3 joints. One here and one here if you wanted to make it act or if you want to make it similar to the original. First, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You will need 16 of these joints. 1 for this thing, 2 for these things, 2 for the hip, 2 of the sockets cut off for here, 2 for the arms, or 3 for the arms, 2 for the both legs, and 2 for the feet, cut in half. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is get 2 sockets and cut the sockets off. Get 2 of the joint, the ball and socket pieces, and cut 2 of the sockets off. And then use the ones with the balls. This as the connector to the shirt and torso. Also, I forgot you're gonna need some sticky tack to make the figure hold up. I use blue tack or tack it. If you're Filipino, nice. You just have to go to Luzon and then NCR and then buy stack it from Ayala, from the office warehouse in Ayala Avenue. Mama, what's the name of the mall where we bought sticky tack again?
Forgot.
And you can use a Fruit Loops box for the feet. I use non-corrugated cardboard for the feet, which is a Fruit Loops box. And for the hip, it's just 2 ball and socket pieces together, taped together, and then done. That's all it is. And if you're wondering where I got these ball joints, I got them from a 3D printer. If you do have a 3D printer, please check out Printables, and after you check out Printables, go to Lego Piece 144. Go search Lego Piece 14419 and select the gray one. Then print in any color PLA. I will be releasing my own on printables soon in the future. There's the future. And for the legs, it's basically just 2 ball and sockets and for the feet, here are the feet. I do remember how to make them. It's just a ball and socket piece put with a piece of non-corrugated cardboard. If you made a lofty mech, you know. And you have to put a scrap of non-corrugated cardboard here on the bottom, and then mummify it, and then tape it, and then push the flap thing down, and duplicate that for the second foot, and put sticky tack on the feet. And for the other leg, it's just the same, so no tutorial for the other leg. So you will need to have to get a piece of sticky tack and then turn it into a ball.
Teka.
Daddy, you're in my video.
After lunch na.
Daddy, you're in my video.
Huh?
You're in my video. Then you turn it into a ball, and then put it on the torso for the face.
Hanggang alas ka ba?
And then if you have cardstock, you get a piece of brown paper from an old paper bag and mummify the cardstock with it. But of course, you have to cut the cardstock into this piece into a square and then mummify it. It doesn't matter how big your face is. It just has to be good. The face shape. I used the original lofty face shape. It's not that hard. You just cut out a rectangle and cut off the sides to make a funnel looking thing. And for the arms, it's just two ball and sockets. If you want to make it identical to the original, you have to print 3 ball and socket pieces. And here's what you'll be using: the cut off ball and socket pieces. You have to do that just in order to take them out, or else the socket will come out. You have to wrap the two socket pieces into one piece with masking tape, and you have to mummify these also with masking tape. Unfortunately, sooner I will not use masking tape for the tape lovers, but the glue is better. And I don't have any more glue. So for the body piece connector, you have to wrap the masking tape around, and then do something like this. You wrap the masking tape on top so there's no thingy. And you connect that to the hip. And Daddy, I'm busy. And I am making a tutorial. And look, here you connect the two the two socket pieces to the to the to the shirt, and then you put the sticky tack on the shirt, then add the face. It's pretty hard to make the face come out without getting the sticky tack on the face, but eventually that will work out. I will use magnets for the face, and the face will be double-sided sooner. And I will sell these figures once I'm done making the best Gret figure. I also got a new PLA. Yes, it's black PLA. Okay. After you do that, you take this thing and connect it to the clothes, and then put it on the hip. And I think you're done. I don't know. Oh no, we're not done. Don't click off the video yet. Okay, good. Wait, where's my? So you have to get a pair of scissors, not these scissors, and you have to cut. You have to cut the slither like this, and then mummify all of the pieces with this slither with this slither of brown paper. I'm calling it brown paper because it's brown and paper is supposed to be white. You can make the face double-sided if you want. And you can see that this is made out of cardstock. And to make to mummify the clothes, you have to fold the slither into like this. Like this. You have to fold the slither into like that. And then you have to fold it into a square like this, and this on the front. After you fold it into a square, you cover the slither with this, and cut that off. And after you do cut that off, you attach the double socket piece to this slither, and then tape it all together. And after you tape it all together, just Just moment. And for the hip, you have to take a slither. And you have to turn it into a shape like this, and then you cut off all the excess, and there you have it. Yes, that was the whole thing. If you want, you can use Gorilla Super Glue brush and nozzle. I truly think it's superior, even if I haven't used it yet. And already this video is way too long. It's been 60 minutes. Look at the time bar. See? Okay, yeah, so then you put it all together and attach the sticky tack that you turned into a ball over here. And then attach the face. Any side. You can draw whatever in any side. And that was it. Super easy. Okay, you are a legend for making this far. So, okay, bye.